Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Here, so for Solana, in line with my previous videos, we still haven't got a decision here. So for me, still both the bullish and the bearish possibilities are very, very likely. The problem is that the bullish one that we have on the chart since the low at $26 just hasn't been convincing enough. It wasn't bullish enough. You know, we've got here something like a leading diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It just wasn't bullish enough, and the leading diagonal is always a little bit you could say uncertain, unreliable. And then after that wave 1 we put the wave 2 in. Wave 2 is fine, but then if we say this was a wave 2 and the next one is a wave 3 to the upside, the start of this wave 3, this 1-2 pattern of the wave 3 is just not bullish really. It looks a bit strange in that we retraced just too much. Nothing was invalidated, but it's just not ideal. And then if we say, okay, this was a 1-2 setup, then the next 1-2 of the wave 3, also a bit painful. We're just moving sideways at the moment. So there is just, what is missing for me is the clear bullish impulsiveness that you should get here. Now we don't have it. So as I said to you in previous videos, what I want to see is a break above the 35.40 level to confirm something like a breakout. And then more important would be that $39 level. That would be even more important in terms of a breakout. Until we get that, there is really a similar, I would say a similar chance for the bulls and the bears to be in control here. So it's fairly balanced out. This is basically, we talked about that already here, that this is such a trouble, such a problem, and this is now reflected by the triangle anyway. So the chart already reflects that as well, in that we just move sideways here in a triangle. So when you move sideways in a triangle, that indicates uncertainty in the market. That is exactly what we see. And this triangle continues to play out. We talked about it already several days ago, that we have a triangle pattern here possibly that we could see as A, B, C, D, and the wave E would be next. We have already put a high in here, so the wave E could be finished at any time, and that would finish off this higher level B wave. So basically the triangle itself is a wave B. This could be finished because we got rejected here basically at 33.47. You can see that if I zoom in, you can see quite a strong candle rejection here as we try to push above the 50-day moving average. And if we now break to the downside, it would fulfill this pattern. It would ideally take us down to $31.17. That would finish off the wave C of the wave 2. And then it will be interesting if we put that third wave in. That would be quite a strong move to the upside then. But this would be the condition we need to see in a bullish breakout scenario. Let me just move that here to the right hand side because it all takes a bit longer. Now if my count is wrong and the triangle actually breaks out to the upside, then I think it's the other way around. If we already break out directly, then it could very well be that the blue count is in control here, that we came down in a wave 1, we retraced in a wave 2 correction. We are now in the third wave to the downside, but that in this third wave we also have subwaves, and that we would say it's basically the other way around, that this was a wave 1 of the wave 3. Then we are basically in a wave 2 and the wave 3 is next, and so on. And in the wave 3 as well we saw an A, B, C. So if we push up straight away without doing that additional low, then I think this would be followed by a strong sell-off. So it depends on which count is correct. As I said, the probabilities are fairly similar. In this case, it depends on to which direction do we break out. And for me, it's like if we come down, find support at 31.17, we have a really good chance that the bulls get in control here. But to confirm that, we need to break out above the 35.48 level or 35.50. Very important. And on the flip side, the bears will be in control if we go below that $30 level basically. So I still have $30.50 here. That is just because it's a 78.6% fib level. but it's this range here, you know, between $30 and $30.50, that if we break below that and make a new low, then the bears will be in control. So hopefully we'll know more this week. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.